Okay, so you can be making 20,000 pesos a month, 50,000 pesos, even 100,000 pesos, and still feel broke, like genuinely broke. Why does that happen?
NANI?
Honestly, that's kind of the question I've been sitting with, and that's why I'm doing this. I'm learning about money too, so instead of just keeping all these finance terms floating around in my head, not really understanding them, I figured let's just break it down together. So let's start with the basic question first. What even is personal finance? Okay, so personal finance is basically how you manage your money. That's really it. How much you earn, how much you spend, how much you save, how you deal with debt, how you invest, how you protect it. Basically, everything you do with your money, all of it. Here's how I think about it, right? Your money is kind of like water. Your salary comes in and then it just flows somewhere. Bills, food, transportation, shopping, subscriptions, debt, savings, investments. And if you're not paying attention, it just keeps flowing wherever. And then suddenly you're just sitting there like, wait, where did my salary go? I've been there. Honestly, more than once. And that's kind of the whole point of personal finance. It's just giving your money some direction. That's it. So let's break it down into five simple things. Just five words, really. One, earn, money, in. Where's it even coming from? Salary, business, freelance, side hustle, whatever it is. That's money coming in. Two, spend, money, out. Where's it going? Needs, wants, everything in between. Every time you pay for something, that's money going out. Three, save, money, store. This is money you're keeping, setting aside, especially for emergencies, because life really loves throwing random expenses at you out of nowhere. Four, invest. Money, grow. This is putting your money somewhere so it can hopefully grow on its own over time, instead of just sitting there. And five, protect. Money, guard. Because, okay, making money is great, but what happens when something goes wrong? Emergency, big unexpected expense, you lose your income. This is you guarding what you already have. In, out, store, grow, guard. That's really it. That's personal finance in five words. And honestly, personal finance isn't really about getting rich overnight. It's more about just making better decisions with the money you already have. You don't need to know everything. You don't need a million pesos sitting in the bank. You don't even need to understand every single finance term before you start. You just kind of need to start paying attention. Where's my money coming in from? Where is it going out to? How much am I storing? Is any of it actually growing? And am I guarding it or just hoping nothing goes wrong? That's it. Those questions alone can already change how you see money. And that's really what I want to do here. I'm going to learn this stuff and simplify it for myself and for you, Naman. We'll talk about things that actually matter to us: pesos, salaries, budgeting, debt, Gcash, investing, taxes, and eventually building wealth. Whether you're earning 20,000 pesos, 50,000 pesos, or even like $5,000, the goal's still the same, honestly. Understand your money, make better decisions, build a better life. I'm Ron. This is Ron Makes Money. Let's figure this out together.